We're here at the end of the fucking world. Well, it feels like it. We are probably about 45 minutes out of Port Lincoln, and we stopped on the way through to Coffin Bay to get some famous Coffin Bay oysters. So I'm just going to take this opportunity to show you motherfuckers how to chuck an oyster. Port Lincoln. We're on the what beach is this?
Fleet Cove campground.
Fleet Cove, yeah. So Port Lincoln, South Australia. We've got ourselves some Coffin Bay oysters from fucking Coffin Bay, which is pretty cool. We're just gonna give you a quick lesson on how to shuck them on a fence post in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Sturdy fence.
Sturdy fence. And watchful crows. We're gonna get ourselves like a nice thick towel, and basically you want to protect the big thing you want to do is protect your thumb. I've seen a lot of chefs like sort of come off, and I've seen somebody like gouge out their whole fucking hand. So you don't want that, that's not good. So we're going to go in at the very hinge there, and we're just going to try and get the tip in. Just the tip. And just give it a little wiggle. And just pop it off. And then we're just going to prise it open and then come down, get that little abductor muscle in there. And good as gold. Cheers, y'all. Cheers to Coffin Bay oysters. That's up to see. Make it good. That was a